Hey guys, what's going on? If you ever have a problem with your car that you can't start it because the battery is dead or the alternator went out and you're trying to start off the car, but the thing is, all it does is it doesn't even crank because the battery is so dead. What we're gonna try out today is starting a car with this one box that the Autowit makes. It's a jump start box. We're gonna give it a shot. Great thing, it's actually not a battery, it's a capacitor that's inside of it. The great thing about capacitors, they charge super fast and they actually decharge really quick to output inside your car. So this is the Autowit that they make. It's a super capacitor 2 jump starter. We're gonna give it a shot. We haven't done this yet. I'm gonna see how it is. You guys will be the I guess witness what it could do, and we'll really see if it's actually able to do what it actually says over here on the paper, because it says it can charge it less than 3 minutes with the 12 volts. Let's see if that actually could be done. Honestly, that's impressive. So to charge it up, we're not gonna start up the car, we're just gonna turn it on. It has a little screen right here. It's saying it's at 44. Wow, it's actually going super quick. I guess if you can see at this screen right here, there's a 48%. This is going insanely fast. It's a 1% per second. I never seen anything charge this quick. And after we're gonna charge it up, what we're gonna give a shot is actually unhooking the battery from the car and try to see if this box will be enough of power to start the car. It's an experiment. We don't know. Honestly, I would be really surprised if it will do it, because I can't imagine such a small little product that will actually start up the car. Capacitors, I believe capacitors, you can actually, it doesn't matter the temperature, they don't drain power. So this at 100% could be laying in your car for quite some time, and whenever you need it, you have it. But it says you don't have to have it charged ready. We're at 99% already. I don't know if we're waiting for that 1% or not. Now it just seems like it's going up in voltage by going 11.4. I think we're charged. Because look at the camera with the DVR. Alright, wow, it's actually 100%. I'm gonna take off the negative just to be more safer on this part. So here it is, the car battery is unhooked all the way. So now what we're gonna try to do, since we got the car unhooked, the negative is disconnected, the car is not gonna be able to start, we have no power whatsoever in the car. You can see that we were pressing the start button, doesn't do anything. And now we're gonna give it a shot with this power bank. So the neat thing about it, here's some of the ports. So you know, it has a USB, micro USB. It has that port where we connected the cigarette, I guess, thing. And here's the output that's coming out of this. Alright, so here's the cables. So we have a negative, this is our negative, that is not connected to the battery. And our positive is still connected, which doesn't do anything because you have to have both of them to connect it to get power. So we got the few seconds. As soon as it's gonna say, it's not say, but it's gonna be a long buzz on it. Alright, so let me go try to start the car with when I get in the car. Let's give it a shot. The lights are glowing. It does that because my car has a lot of computers behind. It does that on purpose. I know exactly why. But hey guys, it actually did start it. So that experiment did work out. Why my car shuts off is because anytime my car has a battery disconnected and I connect it back, it will do that for some reason. I don't know. It's probably a Lexus thing, or who knows, maybe it's just this car. But let's actually see if we can actually do it one more time just to make sure it is working. So the car battery, you can see that it's disconnected, and now we're gonna start it up. Weird, really weird how everything is, but it is working. It's doing its trick. So that's actually a really good review to actually see if you have no battery, your battery is 100% dead, it actually will start your car. We're connecting back the battery because we're done with this experiment. So guys, you saw everything how it was done. Honestly, it's a very neat thing. There's also, by the way, there's a code in our description, not a code, but a link that you can click and you're gonna get 10% off this product. This product is honestly the coolest thing I ever seen. Probably not a bad idea to have it in your car just in case the battery dies. And the life on this thing, they actually guarantee on the box 10-year warranty. So 10 years, and honestly car batteries do die every 6 years, who knows what it is, but this thing will last a lot longer than two times for you. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, get that bell notification so you guys can see every time we post a new video.